Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Tuesday morning haul. I found a few goodies and I wanted to jump on and share with you what I picked up. All right, I'm going to start with this right here. This is a Maggie Holmes self-inking stamp and it stamps out the words "Love This." And I did open it up and stamped it out just to test it out to show you, and this is what it looks like. And it's really, really cute. I hope that's focused, but it says "Love This." And then as you can see right here, I did it too dark. I pressed down too hard, but I think you just kind of have to play with it. And I think it'd be really cute to add to projects or tags. So super, super cute. So I'm gonna play with that. I did find this little alphabet sticker set by Amy Tangerine, and as you can see, it has all of these tiny little words, just plain wonderful, sometimes, let's get together, and there's 8 different sheets, and this is what it looks like. You get all of those different colors, so I figured that'd be really fun to add to tags or to projects or rosettes, and they're super small, and it was only $1.49, so I thought that was a good find there. Up next, I found this Good Vibes charm set, and this goes with the Good Vibes paper, and I did pick up this collection from Tuesday morning, so I hadn't seen this, so I was glad to find the charms. I didn't know it had charms to go with the collection, but they're absolutely adorable, as you can see, and those were $2.99. All right, up next is this 40-piece sticker set by Crepe Paper. I'm so glad that they're selling crepe paper at Tuesday morning because I really do love crepe paper. It's so pretty, and I just like that style collection. And so I did pick up this set, and it comes with the gold foil, the white, and then the red. And again, you could add these to rosettes or just different types of projects to further embellish. And it looks like you get quite a bit, and I'm not sure what the price was. I think it was $1.49 or $1.99. I'm not quite sure. I did find this sticker sheet, and I do have this one, but I went ahead and picked it up because it's just so pretty. And this is another crepe paper sticker sheet, and I think Hobby Lobby was selling this sticker sheet, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I just love the black and gold and all the stickers on this, and you can kind of pair this with pretty much any type of paper collection that you want. So that's why I picked that up, and it was only $1.49, so great price. I did pick up this sticker sheet, and this goes with the Glitter Girl. I'm still finding pieces to Glitter Girl. I still haven't found the paper, but I have hope. Maybe the paper is coming because these embellishments keep trickling in to the Tuesday morning stores here in Georgia. So hopefully I will get lucky and get the paper. If not, I may just order it off of Amazon because someone did point out to me it was on Amazon. So, but I just love this paper. Look at the iridescent stickers. It's super, super cute. And this little set was $1.99. And then I also picked up this sticker sheet, and this is Amy Tangerine, and this goes with the Good Vibes. And I did get the Good Vibes paper collection. I don't know if it was Amy Tangerine or crepe paper, but I figured I probably could put it together with that paper that I picked up. And they're just really cute, like gold foiled stickers. I really like this one right here, Life is Better with You, and it says Our House, 123 Goodness Street. How super cute is that? And I hope you guys can read that, but it's really, really cute, and it's front and back. So this is the back of the sticker sheet. And again, it has a lot of gold foil on it, so really, really cute sticker set. I did pick up this journaling sticker set, and this was, this is Heidi Swap, and as you can see, it's missing a piece. It was supposed to have this like little journaling card set right here, but this piece was missing, and all they had was this piece, which I apologize for the glare, but it's all these little stickers, and there's several days of the week, and then the months, and then obviously the numbers, and you can use this for obviously your planners, but you can also use it for other things as well. And they sold it to me for $2. I think it was originally $3.99, but since it was missing that piece, they just sold it to me for $2. So I picked that up, and I just thought this would be fun to use some kind of way. And then I also picked up this Glitter Girl, what are these, Enamel Dots? I can't think, but they have really pretty glitter in the hearts, and I think those are so pretty. And they were $1.99, and again, I'm just putting this collection together hoping to get the paper. But super cute, so I'm glad I found those. And then I did find another Snow and Cocoa embellishment to that paper collection, and these are the frames, and it says there's 12 frames in this set. And I didn't even realize, I thought there was only 3, but it looks like there are several little frames in here, so super cute. I'm gonna put this with my December daily that I started. I did pick up a stamp and die set, and I was looking at this a couple of times, passing it up, but then I saw it again and I just went ahead and picked it up. It was only $2.99, and it does come with the die and then the coordinating stamp, which is this deer, which is like a wood grain, and then this one says keep calm and marry on, and then this little one says happy holidays. There wasn't a die to go with that, but you could still, you know, fussy cut it and, you know, embellish the deer if you want. But I thought this was a little a fun little stamp and die set for Christmas. And then up next, I did pick up 2 of these sticker label maker sticker sets by Maggie Holmes. And again, this is crepe paper, and I absolutely love this. And I did find something similar to this, a few days ago whenever I did my previous haul. And I don't think this is the same thing. I think these are different than what I picked up. But I absolutely love this because when I did purchase that We Are Memory Keepers label maker, I had no luck with it, and I returned it and got my money back. I got too frustrated. So I'm happy to have this already. It's like, you know, it's already done for you, and all you have to do is peel and stick. Super easy. So $1.49, yes. And then last but not least, I did get 1 die, and they did have a few dies, but I've either already had them or I just didn't like them. So this was the only one that I didn't have that I thought was kind of cute, and it's this super cute little owl, and as you can see, he was $4.99, and this is a desire die, and it looks like this on the back, and then you can see it's a really nice size owl. And I did go ahead and cut him out because I was excited. I wanted to see what he would look like, and this is what he looks like cut out. Isn't he absolutely adorable? I used a My Mind's Eye 6x6 paper pad to piece this little owl together. I don't know if you can tell, but I did use glitter paper on the heart and on the eyelids and on the nose. And I just thought he was so extra cute, and he is such a nice size. And then I also was thinking that I would put this die cut on the back of him. I have this die in my stash that says Big Hugs, and it actually fits perfectly behind this little owl. So if I put it in some Happy Mail, I could just maybe stick it down like that and have it on the back of the owl, which I thought was kind of cute. I didn't glue it down because I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with him, but I wanted to piece him together so that I could show you what he looked like. But absolutely adorable. So that is my Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Please leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.